I'm Paula Toti.
And I'm Cami Dierking. And patients suing a doctor who fled the country over botched surgeries say that justice for them is being delayed.
Yeah, some of the patients are adults and some are children, and they say the medical malpractice trials are taking too long and they want something done about it. Anjanette Levy is live at the Hamilton County Courthouse where the patients and the representatives gathered a short time ago. Anjanette.
Well, Paula, there is a lot going on here. First of all, the judge overseeing these cases is Judge Mark Schweikert. He's a retired judge, and he had issued an order yesterday saying that the press conference today may violate a gag order in this case. But the man representing a lot of these patients, or most of them rather, he said that that was not his intention. He was simply here to discuss the pace at which these cases are moving through the court system. There were about 20 patients or former patients of Dr. Atiq Durrani's here at the Hamilton County Courthouse. They gathered here with their representative and they want these cases to move more quickly. There are a total of 560 patients suing him in the hospitals where Durrani performed the surgeries. Now, so far, more than 20 of those cases have been tried, and the Deters law firm has won many of those medical malpractice cases. Atiq Deters serves as the victim's advocate for the patients because he no longer has his law license. He says Judge Schweikert should be grouping these trials together so they can be tried more quickly. Deters says some of the patients have already died and it could take 40 years at the pace that these cases are moving right now.
We would like the group trials to happen ASAP. You know, it's not like we have 40 years to give for this. You know, I'm 61, you do the math, you know what I'm saying?
There are people that have filed lawsuits in this courthouse in 2015, 2016, and 2017 who have already had their jury trial. These cases were filed in 2013. It's just, our plea is rational, logical.
Now, Deters says the fact that these trials are not being grouped together is because of a ruling from Ohio Supreme Court Chief Justice Maureen O'Connor. His law firm has actually filed some paperwork today trying to get her to reverse that decision or get an appeals court to reverse that decision. The Ohio Attorney General's office is representing Chief Justice O'Connor in this litigation. I reached out to that office and I was told they would not comment on any pending litigation. So as far as what's going to happen with this grouping issue, we're just going to have to wait and see. Paula, will send it back to you.
Thank you, Anjanette. Durrani was charged with federal crimes. He fled to Pakistan several years ago.